Well, I think that's good news. Do we now try to send packets to the decoder? Because now we have a decoder. Yeah, these are the X events. Yep, composite them all. This is a pretty dumb way of doing it, but, you know, that's how I roll. It would be better. It'd probably be better to compute. I don't know if it would be. We'll just keep it like this. Maybe that'll be... We might add it to do... You know what? I'm not even going to tempt myself. Unless there's an actual performance problem that needs to be dealt with, I'm not even going to tempt myself with getting sucked into something like that. Okay. Yeah, so after we do the compositing, what we want to do is we want to send it out to if video outputs, we'll just get the first one. Well, what do I want the const to be? Probably just there, I think. Do I need two consts? It can be there. And now we need to create a packet. We need to smuggle one of those bad boys into the codec. And then get a packet or get a frame from the codec and put it into the format, which I think that part shouldn't be too bad. I kind of don't want to do it in here though. But if we find where we did that for audio, which is up here, send packet. Yeah, I think I still agree with this. I don't think I need to redo any of that. But whatever. Like, this comment I think is still accurate. Why am I doing any of this? Resource temporarily unavailable. They're competing with each other, maybe, question mark. That's probably not doing great things to my audio. I'm sure it's fine. So we don't want to receive a frame this time though. Oh, yes we do. But, yeah, this part, I think, and this part, why are we receiving a packet here? Interesting. Is that how that API works? I mean, I guess so. That wasn't my recollection of it. There, here we go. So we should get send packet for decoding. And then we should get a frame. We should get a frame back. Okay, so we've got to make a frame and send a frame to the encoder and then receive a packet from it. Yeah, so we got to send a frame. Okay. So we don't need to do this. We've already done the decoding. It's basically just this part. Basically just this part that we need to do. So let's take that. So we want to send a frame, but I think we want to use the... Is that what I want to do? I think so, because it's all sequential. Like, I don't know if I want to do that in perpetuity, but I think I'm just going to keep reusing this frame. So up here we want to launder a frame. Can I get the devil emoji? I actually wonder if that'll work. Yeah. Copy. Give it to me. Okay. Can I not paste? Is that not a capability I have? Is that the set emoji? Is that how it's being rendered? Does my terminal not handle this? Okay. Yeah, okay. My terminal does not handle the devil emoji. It's we don't let the devil into our terminals. Okay. Launder a frame. We'll close this. Yes. I don't think we should be encoding any audio frames because we have that turned off. Yeah, we don't have a decoder, we just have an encoder, so we just want to send the packet there. Reopen the codec. Yeah, I mean, that's something I need to think a little deeper about. Like, what are the reasons it could fail to decode something, and does that reasonably involve resetting the state? I don't think it does. Yeah, I'm just not convinced it does. So we'll write the packet out. This will be VO, and then we'll unref the packet. Which means we'll have to create it, we'll have to alloc it, we'll have to alloc the frame as well. We'll have to unref the frame. So oh, it's just free and alloc. Lame. In which case I don't think it makes sense to keep it as a variable. doesn't look like it's reference counted or intended to be reference counted at any rate. Oh, okay. Oh, it is. Okay. If I haven't made a note of it, where should I make a note? Write a resource cleanup function for video output, or for this. And here, yeah, that's all good, but we also want to do cleanup video output resources, something like that. And I think for now the way we'll handle it is to not reuse a frame. The thing is, can you ref a frame? You can move it. You can clone it. There is a frame ref. Right. Right, so the reference counter is for the underlying buffers, I guess. If the frame is reference counted, it'll be unreferenced first. Yeah, we'll just make a new one every time for now. That's not how we should do it, but it's fine. So we'll just do AVFrame Alec, because we don't even know if this is going to work. And then at the end, we'll just go, well, I guess like here, we'll go AVFrame free, VO frame. We'll just make a new one every time. It's not a big deal. Okay, we'll get rid of all that. All right, AVFrame, let's do it. Oh boy. The line sizes should be multiple of the CPU's alignment preference. For video, a positive or negative value, which typically indicates the size in bytes of each picture line. So I'm presuming that's like the width times by the number of bytes per pixel, which in our case is 4. Do I have to allocate data? I presume so. Actually, that's a good question, because I kind of hope I don't. So if I go frame data 0, I kind of want that equal to x context